tutorials.
Hey loves, today I am going to give you a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Dipbrow in chocolate. The very first thing that I do is apply my Too Faced Hangover primer. Then I brush down my eyebrows because sometimes it can get a little wild. But once I'm done with brushing my eyebrows, with an angle brush, I am going to lightly outline the bottom of my eyebrows with a pomade. Remember, you want to start off light and then go as dark as you would like along the way. So here I outlined the bottom of my eyebrows lightly, and once I got the shape that I wanted, I put a second coat on it just to make it a little bit more darker. You don't want to outline the very front of your eyebrows because you want to give it a natural look instead of a boxy look, if that's what you're avoiding. Once I finish outlining the bottom of my eyebrows, I'm going to start outlining the top of my eyebrows with what's left over on my brush. Once I outline the top of my eyebrows, I'm going to go over it once again, just to make it a little bit darker. Then I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows. I usually start filling in my eyebrows from the end and work my way to the front. That way I can go from dark to light. When I get to the front of my eyebrows, I am only going to use what's left over on my angle brush and lightly fill it in. Next, I am going to clean my eyebrows. By doing that, I'm going to apply the Too Faced Born This Way concealer on the bottom of my eyebrows. Once I apply my concealer, I'm going to spread it out and then start outlining the bottom of my eyebrows with a small flat brush. And definitely take your time with this, that way they can come out really good. Once I'm done with the bottom, I'm going to do the same with the top. And for the top of my eyebrows, I am going to use another angle brush and apply the Too Faced Born This Way foundation to give it a natural look. So we're going to spread it out first and then outline the top. After we get done with cleaning up our eyebrows, we are going to lightly fill in our eyebrows again, just to give it a sharper look. Once we get done, we are going to blend. With my egg, I am going to use a dabbing motion to set in the concealer and the foundation that we just applied. After we blend, we are going to apply some setting powder just to set everything in. For the setting powder, I use the Huda Beauty loose powder in Blondie, and I love it so much. It's my favorite setting powder because it prevents you from having a really cakey face, and we don't want a cakey face. Then, using the transparent L'Oreal brow gel, I am going to brush my eyebrows so that we can give it that sharp look and they can stay that way all day. Then, to give it some glam, we are going to apply some highlight because we want to make our face poppin'. We don't want to give it that dual look unless you like matte looks. Then I am going to blend some more You gotta remember, blending is your best friend here. Once we get done blending, for my finished look, I applied some eyelashes, and once I got done with applying my eyelashes, I blended in some more, and voila, eyebrows on fleek. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much, loves, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay up to date with me on social media. Love you guys. Bye.